Scott with Never Hedge, back for another stock video. Today we're talking about Green Globe International Inc., OTC symbol Ggii. And so I was just dicking around, killing time before the fight start tonight, doing a little research on some stocks. I found this little gem that was up 62% on Friday. Let's see if my How's that, better? Yeah. So I was doing a little research on Twitter. What the fuck is going on here? And I came across this gigantic Ggii thread from a Mr. Drew Diligence. Shout out to Drew. Please go give him a follow. I will link his Twitter handle in the description below. And he put this together literally today, about an hour ago. Shout out to him. It must have taken him a little bit of time to put this all together. Getting into Ggii from Mr. Drew Diligence. Let's start with the profile. This is a marijuana company with Sandro Piancone leading the way. Here's CEO. A little description about Ggii. Green Globe International Inc. provides services to businesses offering consumer products utilizing CBD compositions. Sandro's LinkedIn CEO of Hempaco. Jorge Olson is co-founder and seen in this YouTube video talking about the recent trip. Here's Jorge Olson talking about how he's the co-founder of and CMO, Chief Marketing Officer of Hempaco Co. Inc., fast-moving consumer goods company focused on R&D, manufacturing processes, and disrupting the tobacco industry with herb and hemp cigarettes. His job is to constantly innovate and patent our intellectual property, as well as market to the consumer, distributors, and retailers. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see here, Mr. Drew. Debt securities, including promissory and convertible notes. We have not applicable, no debt. Let's see, dilution. Their float is around $3.6 billion. Sorry, 3.6 billion shares out of the 5 billion authorized shares. They have 3.896 billion outstanding as of 2/12/2021. Zero debt or dilution, says Drew. Float looks pretty similar to with another company that did reverse merger, Inquisitive Smiley Face. This is from bar chart. Green Globe International Inc. Overall average 100% buy. Very nice. Overall average signal calculated on 13 indicators. Signal strength is a long-term measurement of the historical strength of the signal, while signal direction is a short-term 3-day measurement of the movement of the signal. Top 1% in strength. Direction top 1%. Very nice. Mr. Sandro has had billion-dollar revenues in Mexican markets and other ventures dealing with consumer goods. Jorge has been also very successful with consumer goods, developed over 1,000 goods. Alfredo Garcia leads Mexico in patents. And this little tidbit from 1990, or from who the hell knows when it's from, but it says, since 1998, he has generated over $500 million in sales and profit for his clients and partners, helping them sell products and franchising in Mexico. Sandro sits on several boards and consults on trademark issues and labeling requirements, Mexico import permits, and sales and marketing strategy. He's considered the secret weapon for major franchise companies like Little Caesars, Dunkin' Donuts, and Via Enterprises. Next, we're getting to Mr. Stuart Titus. Involved in many cannabis companies, including a background in marijuana investments and healthcare, and one of the best business leader in 2020. There he is. Stewie Titus, PhD. Let's get it, boys. So, Mr. Drew speculating about a reverse merger completed based off emails from the company, addresses, and contact information, waiting on 8K, coming very soon by company to officially announce it. Let's see what's circled here. So here we got a little email thread. Good afternoon. Quick question. I know you told me the last time the company can't disclose information per SEC ruling, but the OTC markets under ticker symbol Ggii is showing and matching everything related to Hempaco Piancone as CEO. Same address, same phone number, same email. Since it's already public information, could you please, at the very least, confirm that? Thank you in advance, Mr. Caesar. And Christian Wade Johnson at gmail.com says, not sure why you need my confirmation. Those facts seem to be a matter of record. Okay, so we've got possible reverse mergers here. We've got some information on Hempaco. They've got over $4 million in revenue, and they're in a $1 trillion industry, in the tobacco industry. Fully functional factory, as seen in the video. 600 vending machines already made. 20 acquired partners/brands for Hempaco. 22 employees, revenue $4 million. Here's some investor information. They've got $3.1 million in sales. They've got their own brands, research and development, intellectual property, their own factory, 600 vending machine kiosks, 20 co-production brands, and they're disrupting a $1 trillion industry in big tobacco. Here we've got a little information on Ggii and Hempaco. Continued. So they got $10 million in assets combined, $60 billion hemp industry, product in 10,000 stores throughout Mexico. Let's check it out. Hi, yes, we're going public and disrupting the $1 trillion tobacco space with hemp cigarettes, Delta 8, spice, and herb smokables with functional smokes. We're profitable, have $10 million in assets, own and operate our own manufacturing plant in San Diego. Hemp is legal in all 50 states. And the most incredible opportunity is not in tinctures, it's not in cannabis, it's in hemp cigarettes. You see, we're not after the potential $60 billion hemp industry. We're going after the existing $1 trillion tobacco industry with hemp and herb cigarettes. We own the manufacturing plant, own the brands, wholesale distribution, and intellectual property. How about that management team? See their videos, read their books and white papers, and speak with them so that you can decide for yourself. Deuce from Mr. Jorge Olson, CMO and co-founder. Hempaco is a Southern California-based manufacturing company producing innovative filtered hemp smokable products. Offers hemp smokables as private label supplier and owns its own CBD/CBG consumer packaged goods, vending machines to distribute products across the U.S. Hempaco's Mexican subsidiary is a distribution and revenue in the tobacco industry in Mexico and internationally. UST Mexico is strategically positioned to capitalize on impending legislation in Mexico legalizing industrial hemp and hemp smokable products. Currently has distribution in over 10,000 stores throughout Mexico. And with a population of 125 million, Mexico alone represents a potential $4 billion market. Who would have thought? Let's get into their patents and trademarks. So they've got multiple patents for manufacturing and processing and merchandising. They've got retail trademarks, licensing agreements, multiple brands, product patents. There we go. Here it all is. And this is a direct quote from the company. We already own the largest CBD and hemp cigarette private label production in Mexico. Our own goal is to be the largest in the USA as well, said Sandro Piancon, CEO of Hempaco. We're seeing an overwhelming demand for private label hemp cigarettes in the US, with the number of companies calling us to produce is growing by the week. Very nice, Hempaco. They are taking this motherfucking company public. Excellent. Some big hoopla. So they're looking to get some celebrities involved with this. Could be a Mr. Snoop Dogg, maybe. That'd be a great spot for him. Or any other of the gazillion celebrities that friggin' smoke a reefer. Let's see what we got here. It is an incredible deal, but it is not going to be one and done. It takes some time to place 600 hemp box machines. I hope that we can start fast with this one. And that is not even the best one. That is my second favorite. Now my favorite. I cannot release yet because we are under strict NDAs because it involves big-time celebrities. So I'm dying to tell you, but I cannot. Oh, man, you're leaving me hanging. Wait a little bit so I can get permission to announce that. It will be big, big hoopla. We will have a big announcement for that one. It involves branding, so we'll launch a brand with these celebrities, multiple celebrities. It will be awesome. Stay tuned. I will let you know. Thanks. Bye for now. Excellent. We've got possible partners, Pacifica Premiums, partnerships with huge retailers, not confirmed yet. All right, so as you can see, this is an awesome DD thread by the Mr. Drew Diligence, and I'm going to link this below so you can go check it out for yourself and see that I'm not full of shit and I didn't make this up. And Mr. Drew Diligence deserves a follow. We would also appreciate if you would subscribe to this channel and like this video and turn on notifications so you can be notified when we post more videos on research that we find on stocks we like. Thanks so much for watching this far, and I will see you in the next video.